Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about Scratch programming language. Although a computer is a smart machine, but it needs instructions from us to do any task. Since computer does not understand English, so you have to give instructions in special computer language that a computer can understand. This language is known as programming language. A programming language has a set of instructions using which you can make the computer do an activity what you plan. Under this, Scratch is one of the easiest computer languages. Let's start to learn about Scratch. Scratch program. Scratch is a program language designed for children to learn computer programs. It enables children to create their own games, animated stories, and projects. Scratch language provides objects to which you give commands to perform different actions. These objects are known as sprites. Features of Scratch. It is an easy to understand and learn. It allows playful experience with program segments. It increases students' interest in programming by graphical environment, written text or code to create programs. The programmer snaps the blocks together to create a script. Thank you and have a nice day.